Okay, hello everyone. So I'm going to show you how to get order for your products or whatever service, whatever physical product. This is actually for product-based owners. This is how you can get order for the next 60 days. And then, of course, we are in that season, off season of the month, called November month, where we have people, a lot of people buying some stuff and your products. And if you're not getting orders, then it must be that you are not doing some of these things I want to list here. So now, let's say if you want to get order for the next 60 days and you have like, let's say you have 1,000 or 60 or 100 products to sell, but you want to get people to rush your product, you want to get them to buy everything you are doing. So what do you need to do? Of course, if you know me very well, I do more of online marketing and digital marketing, and I will advise you to go online. So let's say we have a product, let's use a 100 products. Okay, products. We have 100 products, have we? We have 100 products to sell, have we? So how do I go about selling these products? Now, what I will do first of all is, first of all, of course, you should have your social media handles. Let's talk about Facebook. Facebook or IG or Instagram or IG, let me just IG. Now have this, create this for this particular product. Let's say you sell shoes. You should have a handle for this already. That's one. Number two, it's number one. Number two is to create a sales page. Have a sales page for this shoe. Okay, let's say the product you want to sell, product name. Your product is shoe, right? Maybe clothes, maybe any other thing. We have 100 of them to sell. How can we sell them online? So we create a Facebook account for them, right? Now, number two is do what? Get a sales page. Get a sales page. Now, if you have seen me mention about sales page, I say sales page is more like is a web page that you use to talk about that you just it's different from your website. Your website has information about your product, your address, and every more details about what you do. But a sales page only talks about one thing. A sales page does the work of making sure that it keeps a customer that comes inside to know more about your products, know more about the sales, know more about maybe they also see people that also order. They also know more about what this your shoe can do for them. That is what your sales page does. Your sales page is just to keep your audience engaged for them to take more action. So that's the work of a sales page, to keep people engaged for them to buy your shoe. That's the work of a sales page. And number three is to run adverts. Run ads. Yeah, run adverts. Now, so now you have your Facebook handles, right? You design a sales page and then you run adverts for it now. Now this adverts will pull off traffic. Now this advert now if I mention anything for people, I told you that traffic and sales almost all more like they work all together because traffic equals sales actually. Traffic equals sales. If you want to get order for your shoe business, you need to be able to pull off a number of traffic that will see your shoes and then that will result in them buying, which is sales your shoes. And to be able to do that this month, you need to use this process. Have a social media platform. So most of you have a social media presence where you post your stuff. And then next thing is to have a sales page where that's only designed to talk about your shoe alone. After having your sales page, the next thing is to run adverts. This advert will now pull this traffic. We'll put this traffic into, of course, traffic means people. Customer, this traffic means customer. So this traffic, this Facebook advert or Instagram advert pulls people to come and see what you have in this sales page. From this sales page now, they can now order your product. That's how you can sell this your 100 products this month. If you want to get more orders, more sales in the next 60 days, this is the problem you need to do. Get a Facebook handles, get a sales page, run advert. That is how to run an advert you can use to get more orders this month. Thank you.